Encore's VTU1 manual kit is a proven, dependable, and easy-to-use system. VTU1 features our proven two-handed VTU1 manual device that is so easy to use and it delivers proven results. The items included in the kit are as follows: a VTU1 manual device, an 8-inch by 1 7/8 penile tube, a ring injector sleeve, 4 comfort fit silicone rings starting at size number 3, number 5, number 7, and number 9. A loading cone for easy installation of the ring onto the end of the penile tube. A water-soluble lubricant packet. And 1 body shield to provide a better seal and eliminate the need to use lubricant. And 1 user's manual. Discover Encore's VTU1 manual kit and start living again.